What's up everybody, Colin here with Techout, and today we are going to be unboxing the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. I finally picked some of these up. I'm not a huge Samsung ecosystem person. I usually use Apple devices, at least in terms of like computers, tablets, and phones. So most of the devices I use headphones on are going to be Apple. So I've been using the AirPods Pro 3 for a while now. Really the only Samsung device I have to connect these to is going to be my Galaxy S26 Ultra, but I will be testing it out with, pairing it to multiple devices via Samsung, directly, as well as maybe my iPhone or iPad, just to see how well they function, with different brands and stuff like that as well. But I did pick these up on Amazon. I didn't get them on sale or anything. I paid the $249 for them, but I decided just to pick these up and go ahead and try them out. I've heard some good things about them, when they first came out and all that kind of stuff. So I figured I'd pick them up and check them out. So we're just going to unbox them real quick and set them up on my phone. And then I'll come back in a later video and compare them to my experience with the AirPods Pro 3. In the top of the box, you have another little package here that has your information in here, as well as your additional ear tips. I did pick these up in white just because it's what Amazon had and I could get the 3-hour shipping. So I did that instead of waiting because I didn't really care about the color too much. My AirPods are white, so I didn't mind these being white. And I actually kind of like the case. It's got a white bottom and then kind of a charcoal, semi-transparent top. I do prefer this case a lot more than I did the threes or the previous ones I had, because they went in from the top, kind of like the AirPods do, but they're really hard to get lined up. So I do like these a whole lot better because you can just sit them in there. It is easy to tell which side goes where, and they're super easy to place back in the case. So we've got the case opened up here. We do have a green light on the front. I believe all you need to do is put your device next to it. And yep, we have the Buds 4 Pro there. So we're going to go ahead and hit connect. Pretty straightforward and easy process, and just like that they are connected. So we're going to just check all that. End user license agreement, privacy policy. We're going to turn off automatic updates for both of those and just do the required settings, and then we'll click agree, allow, and it's going to walk you through using the gestures and stuff like that, the head gestures, and you are all set. So there we go. And then once we take them out, I'm just going to put them in my ears real quick. All right, they are connected. I heard them make the little tone. And we'll go over here to the Wear app. Actually, I believe now it is in the Settings app. Let's see. So we have back Galaxy Buds 4 Pro right there. You don't actually need to go into the Wear app anymore. It just pops up right in settings. I forgot they updated that to make it a lot easier. So we have active noise cancellation. You have adaptive, which will adapt to your environment. You have ambient sound, which you can use to hear things around you, and you can adjust the volume there. We're going to put it back on the active noise cancellation, and you can choose the level right there. And you can have it auto switch when it detects voices or sirens or something like that. If you're out walking or something, you want to hear sirens or, people approaching, that kind of stuff, people talking to you. You can customize your earbud controls right here as well. Head gestures right there. You can turn that on or off, and it lets you choose what they do. Sound quality and effects, all right there. And you can manage the connections between your other devices. Seamless earbud connection, you can turn that on. Auto switch buds, so you can have it auto switch between your Samsung devices using your Samsung account with other devices that they are paired to. So that is pretty cool. They work similar to how the AirPods work in terms of automatic connection and stuff like that. So we're going to pop these back in the case here, and I'm going to let them charge up and just check for any updates. Since they have been out for about a month now, I don't know exactly when these were manufactured and how long they've been sitting in this. You do have your USB-C on the back here, as well as your pair button if you want to pair these with another device that does not support, just a quick pair where you open them up next to it. That's how you can put them in pairing mode right there. And they also do support wireless charging. You can put them on the back of your Samsung device, your S26, S26 Ultra, or you can use a wireless charging pad. So pretty cool. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.